Ever felt like life is just too complicated? Like you're drowning in ideas, advice, information overload, when all you really want is clarity. You're not alone. From mastering a new skill to understanding your own mind, we've all hit that wall where things feel just too hard to figure out. But what if I told you there's a way to crack the code of any complex concept? Not just understand it, but own it. Break it down. Master it. This video is your blueprint to do just that. Stay with me till the end, because the last technique I'll share, it completely rewires how your brain learns. And once you know it, there's no going back. The journey. The 5 keys to simplifying anything. 1. Start with the destination. Here's the first trap we fall into, trying to understand everything without knowing why. Think of learning like taking a road trip. Would you just get in the car and drive aimlessly, hoping to arrive somewhere amazing? Unless you're in a rom-com set in Italy, that usually doesn't work out. Instead, set a clear end goal. Ask, what do I actually need to know? What problem am I solving? This creates mental filters. It tells your brain what to keep and what to discard. Clarity becomes the compass. And here's the secret. Your brain loves direction. The more specific your goal, the faster your understanding locks in. 2. Break it into bite-sized chunks. Ever tried eating an entire pizza in one bite? That's what most people do with big ideas. They try to swallow everything at once. But simplification starts with separation. Break the idea into 3 to 5 core parts. Then go one layer deeper for each. Use analogies, diagrams, sticky notes, whatever helps you see the shape of the concept. If it still looks like an octopus tangled in spaghetti, try again. Bite-sized learning is brain fuel. It prevents overwhelm and builds momentum. The way you connect those parts is more important than the parts themselves. We'll get to that. 3. Teach it to a 5-year-old. This might sound crazy, but it's the ultimate test. Can you explain it to a 5-year-old and not sound like you're reading from a textbook? This taps into the Feynman technique, one of the most powerful tools for mastering complexity. When you simplify for someone else, your own brain creates clearer mental models. The goal isn't dumbing it down, it's leveling up your understanding. Because if you can't explain NFTs without using the word blockchain 10 times, do you really get it? This step is where light bulbs go off. Things that felt impossible start to make sense fast. But don't stop there. What if you could use the power of storytelling to cement any concept in your mind? Stick around. It's coming. 4. Build a story around it. We're wired for stories, not spreadsheets. The human brain processes a story 22 times faster than raw facts. So why not turn the concept into a narrative? Give each element a role. Build a journey. Add conflict, resolution, humor. Yes, even quantum physics can become a soap opera if you try hard enough. This method doesn't just help you remember, it helps you relate. Stories make ideas sticky. They emotionally engage you, which makes learning addictively easy. And speaking of memory, the most overlooked part of mastering complexity isn't what you learn, it's what you delete. Let's talk about the power of subtraction. 5. The power of subtraction. Most people think mastery is about adding more, but true mastery? It's about removing the unnecessary. Simplification is subtraction with purpose. Ask yourself, what can I ignore? What's just noise? What would this look like if it were easy? This one question alone, what would this look like if it were easy, has changed businesses, relationships, even lives. The answer is never. Add 12 more tabs and open ChatGPT and cry. Use this principle ruthlessly. Cut what doesn't serve. Focus only on what moves the needle. Because here's the truth, simple scales, complicated fails. Resolution, the breakthrough. Let's rewind. You now know how to set a clear destination. Break anything into digestible chunks. Teach it like you own it. Turn it into a story. And ruthlessly subtract the noise. What once felt impossible is now a path, a process, a power you can wield. This isn't just about studying or learning. It's about upgrading how you live, work, and think. When you simplify the complex, you don't just understand more. You become more. Now, want to go even deeper? Tap the video on screen now. and let's upgrade your mind like never before.